Hey guys, Scott here with RV Wholesaler Service. Today we're going to talk about getting your toilet ready for camping. So the big thing about your toilet is you need to have chemicals and water in there before you start using it. If you have a dried tank in there, when you start using the bathroom, you're going to get buildup, and then potentially it's going to basically just stack up on top of each other, and it's going to cause problems where it's not going to drain properly. So the big thing that you want to put in there, drop-in pouches or the chemical, either one is fine, but you need to add water. I always recommend a decent amount, maybe even up to 1/3 on your tank. That way, when you do use the toilet, it's going to dissolve everything, help break it down, and it's going to keep things moving around in there and not get any buildup. But always use the chemicals, and every time you dump your tank, you're going to need to make sure that you put those back in and restart the process once again. Because if you don't have anything in there, once again, it's just going to pile up and cause problems over time. Hey, thanks for watching. If you guys got any more questions or things you want to see, just let us know. Always like and subscribe. You can always give us a call at 877-877-4494. Thanks.